Stretchy wraps are perfect for twins, not only because you can use them from day one, even with the smallest of babies, but also because it gives you lots of options. You can carry one baby on your front, one to the side with the other in arms, or two in one stretchy wrap, which is what I'm going to show you today. So we're going to start by tying the wrap. It's one tie method for any carry that you want to do with twins. You start with the middle of the wrap, nice and high on your body. Cross the fabric behind your back and bring the ends up and over your shoulders. Tuck the ends behind the central label section. Cross on the front. Cross at the back again and tie in a double knot. So this is your basic tie. The cross here is where either one baby would sit on the front or to the side, or for two babies, we're going to pop one into each of these sides before bringing up our central section to hug everything into place. So I've got two little premature sized dolls. I'm going to start with the innermost piece of fabric. So this is one closest to my body. And I'm just going to pull that slightly off my shoulder to make it easy before I get my baby. Baby number one. So start with your baby nice and high on one shoulder. Makes it a bit easier to handle them as well. I'm going to bring the fabric between baby's legs and then scoop it over their arm and right across their back, bottom, and spreading it nice and wide so they've got a little pocket to sit into there. I've popped one leg on each side of this piece of fabric. You can pop both through or tuck both legs in, depending on how your baby prefers to be held. But this way, with one leg on each side, is often a little more secure, especially when you're first starting. So, I'm now going to bring up the label section over both the baby's legs and spread it up their back. The fabric here is supporting from the back of their head to just hug their head gently in towards my body and give some stability. And I'm leaving this all down on this side because now I need to get ready for my next baby. So open the fabric down lower onto my shoulder again. Take baby number two and repeat the process. Tucking the fabric between the legs. Spreading it wide over baby's arms, back and bottom, and the back of the head. Now the label section, once again, we'll tuck over the legs, and I'm going to pull that right to the very top of both baby's spines. You may need to do some rearrangement to get them comfy and sitting nicely on your chest. You want to feel that the whole thing's snug enough so that when you move around, the baby stays snugly against you. For some parents, particularly dads, where you've got a flatter chest, you may find there's a bit of a space between your babies and you might just need to tuck a muslin cloth or something in there. But for most people, as long as your wrap is tight enough, it will feel secure and hold your baby snugly against you. The nice thing about this carry is that you can take either baby out first now, it doesn't matter, so if one of them wakes up, you can take one out without massively disturbing the other. So for example, if I need to take this baby out, I'll simply lower the fabric down again, lift them gently up onto my shoulder and unhook the legs. This is currently a little looser now because of that space, but actually I could leave this baby undisturbed by bringing that spare piece of fabric up and over them too. So now I've got one baby securely on one side, and I can do whatever this baby needs and still have hands free. If you take both babies out, the lovely thing about a stretchy wrap is that you can leave it on. So now all our options are available to us. You can just leave it on throughout the day and use it to carry your babies as you need to.